Good morning, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Commodities Broker here with RJO Futures, coming to you here on Thursday, October 11th, with some commentary here in the energy markets. Let's get right down to it. What do we have going on here? Well, we got crude prices firmer here today. Let's start off, though, a little bit here with talking about yesterday's price action here. Yesterday's action here, market tried to get itself going here. You look at that Novi crude here, we got up just over 94, kind of pushing things out there. Personally, I'm not buying it, and we did see prices kind of turn and really start moving lower here throughout the day. This morning, getting another bit of a positive lift up. Appears to me, I think we got strong resistance here up over 93. We got up to around 93.15. We're currently up right now about a buck, but we're just trading here around the 92.40-ish area. So, we're not really seeing too much follow through there. If the market kind of getting up there and then kind of pulling itself back. Now, taking a look at the Brent firmer as well, we're up about $1. We're trading there around 115.36. So, we're seeing some firmness there. And, I think there's a better case to make a bullish case here on the Brent than there is on the WTI. But nonetheless here, give me a call if you want to talk about those spreads. There's really some good opportunity there and playing that WTI Brent spread. So give me a buzz at the desk. The number's there. Shoot me an email. We'll get into detail on that. Taking a look at the complex, we're firmer here. Nat gas is up right now. We're up about 3 to 4 cents, trading around the 350-ish area. In the complex, though, here we are seeing the RBOB here a bit weaker. It's down about 2.5 cents right now at around 293.38. While we've got the heat firmer up over 3 cents at around the 324.50-ish area. Now, part of what we have going on here right now, kind of caused a little bit firmer tone on the overnight market, is QE program being announced in Brazil and over in Korea. So going to get some market there excited a little bit. Check out outside markets. They are a touch firmer, although we really got some disappointing news that came out here with S&P, downgrading Spain, the credit outlook there. So not, I don't think, too big of a surprise. As I've mentioned in a lot of these posts, we know we've got a lot of problems over there in Europe, and here we are, S&P downgrades. So this could just be a setup possibly for, some additional stimulus measures coming in over there. Remember here, earlier in the week, IMF coming out and basically, indicating that, we're in a global recession here. So that not being much of a surprise either. But we're certainly seeing a risk-on type of attitude here right now. Now, we are going to have inventory numbers coming out here a little bit later. Today, they were delayed because of Monday being a holiday, expecting to see a build of around 1.5 million barrels. So we'll see, kind of how that plays out. Interesting, too, is that, EIA and OPEC coming out here, and this isn't much of a surprise to me. It's something I've talked about in a lot of these posts, but basically lowering demand here in their monthly report, the outlook, at least for global demand for oil here. So, oil seems to be right now, we're getting some consolidation in this area. Ultimately, I do think that crude prices are still going to be moving lower. Again, we kind of popped up here. We hit some resistance. Market's coming back here a little bit. I expect to see it play down to probably around the $90 a barrel area, short of a major geopolitical event. Yes, things are heating up in Syria and Turkey, but doesn't seem to be having too much of an impact on oil prices. Also, as I mentioned in a couple of posts before, Saudi Arabia has committed to pumping out about 10 million barrels a day. So I think they're adequately supplying the market. They also publicly came out and they said that they feel that approximately $100 a barrel is a fair price for Brent crude oil. So that gives quite a bit of room for that Brent to pull back. So, again, I think you got, supply-demand outlook here in a big picture. I think you got adequate supplies, and I think the demand is very questionable. I think is going to be, remain on the weaker side. Now, if we do see something really heat up significantly between, Israel and Iran, and eventually something's going to come to a head there, that could really turn the market. There's already some risk premium built in there, but we certainly, I think, in my opinion, could see these prices move higher. Short of that, though, I look for lower prices. Give me a call on the trade desk. Shoot me an email. We've got some ideas, some strategies I can help you with in terms of managing the risks on your trade. A lot of opportunity there, whether you're a bull or a bear. But give me a call. We can get into more detail. Of course, remember that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk. It may not be suitable for all traders. Good luck. Good trading.